present tense. Today we are going to do the most simplest way of present tense, most simplest way to use a present tense. Present tense definitely means just now. Right now, what we are doing is called present tense. Now, how do you find out that a particular sentence is in present tense? Rule number 1. Rule 1. S is used after a verb. Verb means action words. After a verb. Like, say, write. Present tense of write is writes. Writes. S is used after a verb or the action word. Like, say, play. Plays. Sing. Sings. She sings very well. He plays cricket very nicely. She writes beautifully. So, these are some examples of verbs where we add S to make it present tense. Alright, now let us see rule number 2. Rule 2. Rule 2. Here we use, first let us see singular. Singular. Okay? Singular means single, one. Single. Singular. Single means one. So, when I say Ram, he is only one boy. So, Ram is dancing. Ram is dancing. I use the word is before the verb and add ing. I add ing at the end of the verb. At the end of the verb, I add ing, and before the verb, I add is. Ram is dancing. She is playing. Mother is cooking. Granny is very beautiful. When I use the verb in a singular form, I write is before the action word or the verb, and I also add ing at the end of the verb. Only after this my present tense is complete. So, when I say write, I say she is writing beautifully. She is writing beautifully. Now, he is playing cricket. Play. He is playing cricket. Is an ing. Is playing cricket. Sing. Sam sings sweetly. Sam is singing. singing. Sam is singing. So, I hope this is clear to you. Rule 1. S is used after a verb. Rule 2. ing is used after a verb, but before the verb is used when the verb is when the noun is singular. Here, if you see all the nouns, Ram is a noun. Noun means name of a place, person or a thing, or it can also be a pronoun or a proper noun. This is a pronoun, proper noun. When we use singular pronoun or proper noun, we use is before the verb and ing after the word ends. Ing to the same word when the word ends. Dance, dancing. Sing, singing. Act, acting. Play, playing. Is writing, is dancing. But for this, our noun should be singular. Here I would like to write, she is writing. So here my she becomes a noun. She is writing. He is playing. Sam is singing. I hope I have made this clear to you. Now we are going to do plural noun. Plural noun. So that is our rule 3. Rule 3. Okay? And here we use plural. First, dear children, let us learn how to say this word. Most of us pronounce this word wrong. Pluck, 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 plu, 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 plur, 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 plural, 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 plural. Dear students, please say this word at least 10 times to get this word correctly. Okay? So let's begin with the plurals now. Now here our nouns should be plural. Okay? Now we are learning the present tense words with the plural noun. With the plural noun. So, Ram and Sam. Okay, mother and I. Children. Alright. We. They. And so on and so forth. These are the words that we use. These are the nouns or pronouns that we use for plural. These are the names of nouns, pronouns. Okay, now let's begin. Ram and Sam. Here I will not use is. I will not use is. I will say Ram and Sam are playing. Ram and Sam are playing. Here, instead of is, I will use are because my nouns are plural nouns. More than one. More than one. Plural nouns. plural nouns. Alright. Mother and I are going to the market. Now here also to the verb I am adding ing. Go, play, I am using playing, going. But before the verb I am using the word are. Because before the are my nouns are in a plural form. Alright. Children are dancing in the rain. Now let us do the next one. This is a pronoun. We are watching a movie. We are watching a movie. Here, we is a plural pronoun. Are is used after the noun and before the verb. And at the end of the word, again, verb, again, ing is added. Now, let's do the next one. Next pronoun. They are writing a letter. They are writing a letter. Now, let us go through this plural noun and the verb form of present tense. Alright. Ram and Sam are playing. Mother and I are going, say, to the market. Okay. Going to the market. Children are dancing. We are watching a movie. They are writing a letter. Writing. Are they? Now, dear students, as I already told you, the first letter of all the sentences should be capital. But we also know that whenever we write a proper noun, we write the first letter capital. Whenever we write I as a single person, we also. Let us do rule 4. Now, rule 4, please look at this big letter I. I is a singular pronoun. So, let us use how to use present tense words when I am using the singular pronoun I. I am writing. I am writing. When we use I, we always use am after I. I am writing and before a verb. At the same time, we also add ing at the end of the verb. Like I am writing, I am watching, I am playing, I am dancing, and so on. I hope you have understood this concept. Let us see this once again. Let us come to rule 1. Quickly, we will take a summary of this lesson. Rule 1. We add s after a verb to make the word into a present tense. Like write, writes, play, plays, sing, sings. The second rule of present tense is when the word noun is singular, we add ing at the verb, at the end of the verb. And when the nouns are plural, we add are. We write are after the nouns and we add ing to the verb at the end of the verb. Like Ram and Sam are playing, Mother and I are going to the market. We add are before the verb or after the nouns. Alright. Now coming to rule 4. Rule 4. We use am after the pronoun I. I am writing. So after the verb we add ing to the verb and we write I am together, or we write am before the verb. We write am before the verb. I'm sorry, I wrote this word 2 times. I am playing. I am dancing. Dear students, please watch this video 2 to 3 times and then I will post an exercise in your class group. Please do that as a PDF